Okay, today we're gonna finish assembling this gear lever. Get all the parts together. And I'm gonna put the new one there. All the springs there. Not sure if I can use this one. I'll use this one maybe. We'll see. Okay, let's start assembling. So now I can take out. One side. Take it out. Break there. This one's my O-ring. Another O-ring. That's in. It's in there. Okay. The O-ring. It's in there. The O-ring is in there. Make sure the O-rings fits nice. Okay. Take the screwdriver, just push it in there. As you can see, I just push it in there so that it can sit nice. Other side as well. Okay. This thing is nice and tight. Now this one you can push it all the way back till then this one right on this side. Okay. Now take your springs. The spring comes like this. Something like this now. Not like that. This one. The other one comes like this. Okay. Just make sure these two hook there together. Just like that. And this one's gonna go up here. You see? It's gonna stay here. Like that. Now this one. You hook it in there. So let me push it down. What I do, take my screwdriver. Listen. Take the screwdriver, push it down. Get it in there. Or what you can do, the best way, you can put it in the vise. Let's put it in the vise quickly. Put the vise the side like that, push it that way, and then I'm just gonna show you what I did. I put this thing in the vise so you can see there's the bolt in. So everything is together now. I'm just gonna put the bolt in. I'm gonna show you now. I took it out and then I'm gonna assemble it together. Okay, so now you can see it's together. I just gonna put the nut in here. I'm gonna tighten it now with the spinners. Okay, so now I'm just tighten it. check together the side with side. Now as you can see it's tight. Okay, now so screw there. Sorry about it. Still not going, sorry about it. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. This thing goes up, then it's up. Now let's go and this thing out. So wait, let me see. Just gonna see what I'm doing. That's it. Then go out. Go out. So you see, it's going out. Then I put it in. Put this one. Once we together like that, wait, I don't know. Okay. See, I made holes here. Now there's in case. It's going to be going like that. Need the gap. There we go. And there you have it. Fix. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna show you some more tricks that you're gonna do when you don't have, you want to boost and you want to do something. Thank you.